Hello guys, your boy GOT once again, and today we are going to be talking about Excel tips and trick. The number one Excel trick you must know. So this is my sample file called final, having names, sex, and age of a few clients. As you can see in my data, I have about 1,000 plus clients. Yes, so when you click, I have my headings, that's the name, sex, and age. And today we are going to learn about freezing panes. So in order to do that, you click on view, next on the freeze menu options. Then we have three. I'm going to select freeze top row. Freeze top row. As you can see, I've done that, but it might be difficult to see. So let me bolden it quickly. As you can see, my name, sex, and age have been boldened. Those are my headings for my data here. You can scroll down. You can scroll down to see the activity. You can type. I have about 1,000 names here. So it's important for me to always see the headings that I'm working with. Freezing the rows can help you a lot, especially if you are working with numeric data. For example, exam scores of students in various subjects. If you are not careful, you type the score for English into the score for French. So it's important and ideal to have these Excel tips and tricks at your hand. Okay, at your fingertips. So as I was saying, let's continue. In order to do that, you freeze the rows and columns. As I unfroze them, you can see that this data kind of without the headings for the other data below seems a little bit confusing. So I'm going to freeze again. In order to do that, you select your data, you go to view. View is part of the tabs on Excel as soon as you open it with a file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, and etc. Once you select view, you have your option there. Another way to also do it is to use the tell me what to do button. Tell me what to do button is a helpful tool introduced in Microsoft Word and Office products 2016 and above. So if you have 2016 version and above, you would be able to do this as well easily by searching freeze panes. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I love you. Subscribe, like, and comment. Follow the steps in the description and let me know if you're able to do it. Thank you and bye for now.